fundamental integration formulas for exponential and logarithm functions. Now d by dx of e raised to power x, the result is e raised to power x. So integration of e raised to power x dx is equal to e raised to power x plus c. Now in d by dx of log x, now here three cases arises. Now we are knowing it is 1 upon x. Okay, now let's do it. Case 1. Case 1, d by x is greater than 0. Case 1 is x is greater than 0. Now d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. Okay. Case 2. Case 2, when x is less than 0. Now we have already gone through the algebraic formulas. Okay. So now d by dx of log minus x, that is log u, 1 upon u, derivative of u. So it will become 1 upon minus x into d by dx of minus x. So what we are having? 1 upon minus x into minus 1, that is again 1 upon x. And case 3. Case 3 is what? X is not equal to 0. When x is not equal to 0, then d by dx of log x is equal to 1 upon x. So for a single formula we are having d by dx of log mod x is equal to 1 upon x for x greater than 0, 1 upon x, x less than 0, 1 upon x, x not equal to 0. Okay. So the formula will be now, we are having now integration of 1 upon x dx. 1 upon x dx is equal to what? Log mod x plus c. Okay, always you have to write log mod x plus c. Now again next question is for log mod of ax plus b upon a. Now what is the derivative for it? Now case 1, x is greater than 0. Now d by dx of log ax plus b upon a. Now this is again log u, 1 upon ax plus b into d by dx of ax plus b, that is a. So this cancels and we are left with this form, 1 upon ax plus b. Now case 2, x is less than 0. Now d by dx of log ax plus b, we can write it negative of, okay, let me write it again, d by dx log negative of ax plus b, like this. So what the result is now? 1 upon minus ax plus b, already it is a is also here, so a into minus a, d by dx of negative of ax plus b, that is negative of a. So a and a cancel, negative and negative cancels. Case 3, when x is not equal to 0, then d by dx of log ax plus b upon a is equal to 1 upon ax plus b into a, and with the numerator a also. Again this is 1 upon ax plus b. So what the result is? We are having 1, 2 and 3. Same result is there. Okay. So we can write it now. Number 3. Integration of 1 upon ax plus b dx is equal to log mod of ax plus b upon a plus c. Okay. So we are having 3 cases for the derivative part, and that's why the result is with modulus function, with mod, not mod. Okay. Now number 4, d by dx of a raised to power x, a numeric power of a numeric value with any number or a variable. Okay. So it was a raised to power x with log a upon log a is already given. So this and this cancels. What is left? A raised to power x. So number 4 now, integration of a raised to power x dx is equal to what it is? A raised to power x upon log a plus c. Okay. So like this we are having 4 formulas. Now for the exponential and algebraic, first e raised to power x as it is, log mod x means always integration for 1 upon x will be written as log mod x, remember always, otherwise you will not be getting the marks. Similarly log ax plus b upon a. Okay. The result is what? Here the result was 1 upon ax plus b. Okay. For 1 upon ax plus b always it is log mod of ax plus b upon a, and lastly ax, it is this one. Okay. So be careful and remember